Hello everyone, today we have a really good news, and as we all are familiar with, we saw some recent changes in Unreal Engine price. So there is a rumor going around the internet that Unreal Engine is gonna start charging indie developers money for creating games, and that is just false. So to clear it out instantly, I will just post the reply from the CEO of Unreal Engine. You will have it on your screen right now. So the good news is you are not gonna be obligated to pay for Unreal Engine 5 as an indie game developer, and this change is not affecting game developers at all. So if you came for this simple question, I gave you answer. That's all you need to know. And for those who want to hear even more about this, make sure to stay here. So this change primarily is gonna be for the people who are producing non-game projects like virtual production, VFX, filmmakers. So these people are gonna be charged, but I'm pretty sure the Unreal Engine is gonna create normal prices for the indie filmmakers. But for me, and for my channel, the most important thing is that I will remain using Unreal Engine 5 for free, since it won't affect game developers at all. So most of people here on my channel that follow me, we are mostly game developers, so we are really happy with this change. And for the others, I really think it's not gonna affect them too much. I really think that Unreal Engine is gonna come up with a really normal price for indie filmmakers, virtual productions, architectures, and others. So that's it for today that I wanted to cover. I just wanted to clear this out, since a lot of game developers are thinking whether they should change engine because they think the Unreal Engine is not gonna be free anymore for them. But we cleared it out today, and I hope it makes you feel better. So that's it for today, and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye!